at that. Oh, that's beautiful. So I've got some blue cheese here for the salad dressing. Isn't that just great? And then the onion. Down there. A little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Gotta use pow, 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 pow. A little bit of sugar. And here I'm going to use some rice vinegar. I like rice vinegar. Earlier today I used the cider vinegar. In the blue cheese dressing, I definitely believe in the cider vinegar. But here, rice vinegar. Isn't that lovely? Now I've taken this, I'm going to lift this out here, and throw out the excess. Put your spinner on. Isn't that cool? Great spinner. Little break. Mix of water. What a wonderful way to clean your lettuce. So this recipe actually started yesterday with some nice chicken thighs, and I cut it thin, not bite-sized pieces. And then I put it in a bag and used my persuader. Took my persuader, knocked it down, flattened it out real nice, tenderize it. Then we put it in buttermilk dressing, put a little bit of sriracha, salt and pepper, and that's it. We went ahead and just let that soak overnight. And so today we have it. Now be sure to chop these up real small. Take this and mix this up really well. We're going to test it. We're going to test this theory. Test before you invest. So we're going to just start with one, just one. Okay? Soaked in the buttermilk, the sriracha, the salt and pepper. We're going to press this down really good. We're going to deep fry this one, see how the rest turns out. So here's the next pieces. After the first test I noticed it was just a little bit too rare, so I'm going to put these in real slow. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Check the temperature. It's perfect. Down to 350, that's perfect. Okay, now it's time to build the masterpiece. Put on my bib lettuce. Nice foundation there. I've got the chicken. It's been sitting in the warmer. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, yeah. The dressing that's been in the fridge. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cucumber and the onion. Tomato. Just because we can. Isn't that great? Here's the true test. Have the napkin. Fork. We're not going to use a fork today. Why? Because we got bib lettuce. I'm going to take a piece of bib lettuce. Nice piece of chicken. We're going to try that. The blue cheese is absolutely outstanding. It really is. Like I said earlier, I don't know if you caught it. If you don't do anything, make the chicken this way. You're gonna be happy you did. Cheers. Thanks for watching.